Welcome to Day 2 of CyberVulnVerse, 60 Days of Cybersecurity for Beginners. Before we begin, remember, this content is created purely for educational purposes and does not promote or endorse any illegal activity. Today, let's separate the heroes from the villains and meet the spies in between. In cybersecurity, not all hackers wear hoodies and lurk in basements. Some wear badges, some wear masks, some walk the gray line. Understand the three main types of hackers: white hat, black hat, gray hat. Break the myth that all hackers are bad guys. Show ethical hacking as a noble and essential career. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of hacker resonates with you. So pay close attention. Your cyber identity starts here. This is a white hat, a digital bodyguard. He's hired to break into systems, so real attackers can't. He works with rules, law, and intent to protect. This is a black hat hacker, the modern cyber criminal. He breaks systems, steals data, and vanishes in the shadows. No laws, no limits. This is a gray hat, a wanderer between good and bad, not always praised, not always punished. He dances on the ethical edge. W equals white with rules. B equals black, breaks rules. G equals gray, goes between. A simple way to remember, WBG, who's being good? This isn't just about hats, it's about mindset. Are you the protector, the rule breaker, or the explorer? Every hacker starts with a decision, not about skill, but purpose. Do you want to protect systems? Curious about how hackers think? Or are you drawn to explore boundaries others fear? The choice isn't just about color, it's about character. Don't forget, this is just day 2 of our 60-day journey. Tomorrow, we decode the DNA of cybersecurity itself. Get ready to uncover the CIA triad, the 3 pillars every hacker, defender, and digital citizen must understand. If you find yourself intrigued by white hat possibilities, consider pursuing certifications like CH or CSSP. White hats thrive on helping improve digital defenses. Perhaps you want to delve deeper into the ethics of technology, fostering trust in an interconnected world. If tempted by the thrill of black hat adventures, remember this: the consequences are often severe, affecting not just individuals, but their communities and livelihoods. Knowledge should be wielded responsibly. In the vast network that is the internet, every choice has a ripple effect. For those who feel the call of the gray hat, tread carefully along the boundaries. Your skills can lead to insights that benefit society, finding vulnerabilities that need attention. Be the bridge between law and change, but mind the thin line you walk. Join us as we journey further into the ethos of cybersecurity, unraveling the mystery behind firewalls, encryption, and digital forensics. Discover your place in the cyber universe and empower yourself with knowledge that transcends fiction.